Hi folks, I just did a starter replacement on my 2007 Ford Expedition, obviously with a 5.4 liter engine. The notoriously difficult part about that starter replacement is of course the top bolt. So we're looking in there, you see the exhaust manifold, the starter's in there with the sticker on it, and you see my extension lying in there, and all the way back in is that third bolt. Try to the socket's on there, on the bolt right now. Let me get my light back on. Now, some guys have talked about putting in the extension with the ratchet coming up right in front of the starter. That didn't work for me. Now, I got that top bolt started with the starter still hanging down a little bit, and I could get a finger up there and get it started. But I couldn't get it run in all the way. So what did work was to run a long extension, and there is a passageway back here kind of behind all that spring and suspension area. And let me see, put the light on my ratchet handle right up there. So I've got about a 21-inch extension put together. I think I've got a 3-inch and a couple 9-inch or something like that, with a little bit of wobble. But going through there behind the frame portions that hold the spring, kind of above the AC compressor, allowed me to get a straight enough shot to actually get a tool on that bolt and tighten it up. So, hope this helps somebody. Whatever you do, be safe. But above all, remember, Jesus is Lord.